responsibility and giving authority to children is important as it teaches them lifelong skills for being powerful and democratic process in which the students had to go through many process to get selected for the much coveted ceremony. The new perfect body of leaders swearing in will be gracious moment for the gathering to witness the emerging leader.
खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ले अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिखला दे जिंदा है तू, बाकी है तुझ में हौसला। तेरे जुनून के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे, कर डाले तू जो फैसला। रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया, हर मैदान फतेह।
Good morning, one and all. I, Kushal Jangam, the head boy of SSR Discovery Academy, Nizamabad, would like to thank the management, staff, and students who found me capable of this responsibility. This feeling is something that I can't express in words. From now on, my new journey is going to start, and I will try my best to reach the final of this journey. So I request you all to please guide and support me in this journey. However, I will not give any promises, as action speaks louder than words. Well, I will try my level best to fulfill all my responsibilities, and I am extremely thankful who believed in me. Trust me, I will forever work for the betterment of school and sincerely lead by example.
A pleasant morning to one and all present here. I, Amulya, feel privileged to be selected as the head girl for the academic year 2022-23. It's indeed a pleasure for me to carry out the assigned responsibilities in a sincere, systematic and dedicated manner. For me, being a head girl is not about a position or the title, but it is about action and example which can make difference. My duty is to take care of the norms of discipline of our school. It is an honor and discipline for me to be a head girl of the school. I assure you that I will leave no stone unturned to make our school scale the heights of success. I promise that I shall put in my best efforts to prove myself worthy of your selection. And at last, I express my gratitude towards the enlightening and indwelling visions of our school head, our principal sir, and all the untiring teachers, the kind staff, and the students who put trust in my ability to lead and produce results. Thank you.
Very much delighted to invite Kanishka to hand over bouquet to our CEO Harita ma'am. Distinguished guest of honor Mr. Raghuraj Garu to address the gathering and to give his precious inputs to our dear students who are seeking to be like him.
Personality, Sri Maragod Garu and CEO Madam and other dignitaries on the dais and all the staff members and all dear students, boys and girls. It's a great pleasure to be honored as a guest of honor here. I'll be very happy to be in your presence. Actually, in a small town like Nizamabad, the CBSE standard school like SSR has been declared as one of the best institutes in the South India. I really proud, and I give my wholehearted congratulations to all the staff members who have strived, worked hard and gave the standard to each student. As I observed the students here who assembled here, they were very, very dedicated and working hard, and they must have the bright future, and I hope they have to reach the pinnacles of success in your career. First of all, as the process is going on in the society, the elections are conducting in the democratic country 5 years, for every 5 years. So based on that, I came to know that your school has also conducted the student elections. These are very, very pivotal to the society. Students who are in the younger generation must have to know the politics. Nowadays, most of the students are not interested in the politics. They are going for higher courses and higher jobs, and most of the students are leaving the country. Those who are intelligent are always going to become the technocrats and scientists and doctors and engineers. But if we want to develop our country, every student or every person of the India must have to know what is going on in our India at present. We are the pillars of the Indian democracy. Hence, one has to give top priority to the politics which are going on throughout the world, because these politics makes the history of a country, whether it has to reach the pinnacle of glory or downfall. So in this aspect, I expect every student, every boy and girl to feel responsibility that country is in our hands. And as regarding your studies, you are going to be a successful personalities, I know very well. Please give concentration to the studies. If you invest properly at this time, in the future they are going to become fruitful to you. Hence, I earnestly request to the students and the parents, they have to give full support to the students and the teachers also, because this school is an innovative school which are producing best students. For that sake, parents also give full cooperation to the students. They have to make the students to study at their home and maintain the timetables. Every student must have to maintain the individual timetable at your home. Wake up at 5 o'clock, join the club of 5 a.m. Now, every student must have to wake up at 5 a.m. If you dare wake up at 5 a.m., you definitely reach very good position in the life. And I hope all are excel in your studies and bring lots of glories to your parents, to your teacher and your management. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy morning to everyone. Respected guest of honor, Raguraj Garu, Mr. Ravinder Gaud, the Principal SSR Junior College, Sivai Garu, CEO, HYM International Certifications, Hyderabad, beloved parents, entire my crew and lovely students. First of all, I extend my hearty thanks on behalf of the management and my entire crew for the guest of honor for coming here and spending the time. And thank you, Raguraj Garu, for your valuable sessions to our students, and especially for the self-learning and how to prepare the timetable for the self-improvement. And I congratulate all the student council members, and really you are the very good batch, because due to the pandemic, no student councils for the last 2 years, 2021 and 2022, Really, you are very fortunate that being elected as the student council members. And Edgar was saying that the head boy at Edgar is not the designation or the title, it's the responsibility. True. It's really true that leadership or the leader is not the title or designation. And once before you lead the other students, student council members, you should have the self-leadership qualities. First, you should learn the self-leadership qualities. Leaders are born, not made. I repeat, leaders are born, not made. And even in our school, when the teachers are not there in the classrooms, and even during the short break and lunch break, and you won't believe, pre-KG students, nursery students, some students, they maintain the line. Nobody told him he's the class monitor. During the lunch break, short break, there are some students come forward, and even I'm talking about grade nursery. They try to maintain, they try to keep the other students in silence, and they want to keep other students in line, form line or something, and they want to maintain the classroom. So leaders are born, not made. So I request all the student council members and the students, everyone is a leader. Everyone is a leader. Might be student council members are elected, but all the students are leaders. Before we are going to lead someone, maybe other students or maybe the group or anything, that we should develop the self-leadership qualities. Before going to lead, command or someone, we should have the self-leadership qualities, how our leadership qualities are. Are we good at the discipline? Are we respecting others? And what about our own self-schedule, that whether our get-up time, maybe our homework schedule or classwork schedule, and your attitude towards teachers, school and the parents. So this is very, very important, and on this occasion I repeat, and before we are going to lead someone and try to inculcate the habit of self-leadership. Thank you, thank you.
Commencing with the March Past, I would like to hand over mic to Mrs. Krishna for the March Past commentary.
Now, Ruby is a marching vehicle in front of you, dressed in green symbolize passion, sincerity, power, and strength is led by Captain B. Sadhvik of grade 9. Lakshita is a responsible leader and a sports person. Now at your side, gracious march of Emerald House, dressed in green symbolizes. Then MD Ash is a good speaker and athlete, and the Vice Captain Manogna, she is a very good sports person. Now watching the adorable marching up and loyalty led by Captain Bhokeshan is a good athlete and a good indoor games player, and Vice Captain Spandana of grade 9 is a good in demonstrate the heel march by giving their heel to the ground with toes pointed gully. A comprehensive march past drill, the spell out lays emphasizes on bearing march.
Thank you, students. It was a great and wonderful March Past. All the students, please about turn and sit in your regular positions. Campus Secretary Prerana onto the stage, please.
He works with dedication and loves to present his work in the most creative manner. He believes in delivering his best on every occasion. He achieved Certificate of Asian Book of Records. Has an impressive understanding and depth of knowledge about interests of their team members.
Thank you, Harita ma'am, for pinning up the badge. Now I call
House is an enthusiastic learner who seems to enjoy school, appears well rested and ready for each everyday activities, exhibits a positive outlook and attitude in the classroom. Group who shares her experiences and opinions with peers and regularly volunteers to assist in school, the teacher and other students too.
Gautami.
Has also achieved Platinum Certificate of International Benchmark, who shows initiative and looks for new way to get involved.
I invite new
Logna, Vice Cap, focus on the tasks. Elected as present captain of Sapphire House, displays good citizenship by assisting other students and joins in school community projects. Captain with sensitive the thoughts and opinions of others in the group, takes on various roles in the work groups as needed or as assigned.
Now I request the Mrs. Krishnaveni Garu, please come forward for the photo shoot.
Campus Secretary for this academic year. The host of Head Girl for the academic year 21-22 has shown her innovative skills and new ways involved in school activities. Repeated in a day-to-day life. He is a passionate learner. In gun shooting competition, he achieved qualifying score and is selected for the nationals. He serves a best example as a sports captain. A school who has got an inbuilt desire to learn and grow. She is an enthusiastic learner, childhood artist, classical dancer, awarded with Balaratna, has been exceptional student which reflected in his top grades that he earned throughout the year. His obedience and discipline has earned him the position.
Yatin Aman, language secretary of our school, is an independent thinker. He'll never take
Parents of Tahadin Samskruti.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Right. మార్నింగ్ 8 o'clock నుంచి మనం అంతా ఎండలో వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం. అదే బాధ. ఎందుకంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ మనం 9:40, 10 కల్లా క్లోజ్ చేయాలనుకున్నాం. చీఫ్ గెస్ట్కి మనకంటే ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఒకటి కార్యక్రమం వచ్చేసరికి ఆగిపోయాడు. అందుకోసం మనం మిగతా కార్యక్రమాన్ని కంటిన్యూ చేయడానికి లేట్ అయింది కాబట్టి ముందు మీ అందరూ కూడా జాగ్రత్తగా ఈరోజు ఎండలోకి ఇంకా వెళ్ళకుండా ఉండాలని చెప్తూ ఇవాళటి కార్యక్రమానికి గెస్ట్ ఆఫర్గా వచ్చినటువంటి నిజామాబాద్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ ఆఫీసర్, అలాగే ఐఎస్ఓ సర్టిఫికెట్స్ ఇవ్వడానికి వచ్చినటువంటి శివయ్య గారు, స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్, ఎస్ఎస్ఆర్ జూనియర్ కాలేజీ ప్రిన్సిపల్ రవీందర్ గారు, అలాగే పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ టీచర్స్ అండ్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. జనరల్గా స్టూడెంట్ కౌన్సిల్ ఎలక్షన్ అనగానే రెగ్యులర్ జనరల్ ఎలక్షన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయో అలా కండక్ట్ చేస్తారనేటువంటి విషయం మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. మేకి నోటిఫికేషన్ ఇచ్చి, మేతో నామినేషన్ వేయించి, ఆ తర్వాత స్క్రూట్నీ చేసి, ఆ తర్వాత మీకు గుర్తులు కేటాయించి, మీరు ప్రచారం చేసుకోవటానికి టైం ఇచ్చి, ఆ తర్వాత యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ పోలింగ్ ఆఫీసర్తో పాటు అందరినీ నామినేట్ చేసి, ఎలక్షన్ ఆఫీసర్ని కూడా నామినేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ పోలింగ్ కండక్ట్ చేయటం అనేటువంటిది జరిగింది. ఆ పోలింగ్లో మీ అందరూ కూడా మీకు నచ్చినటువంటి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కు లేదా మీ అభ్యర్థికి ఓటేసి ఇవాళ స్టూడెంట్ కౌన్సిల్కి ఎలక్షన్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి మీరు అందరం కారకులైనందుకు మీ అందరినీ మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అభినందిస్తూ, స్టూడెంట్ కౌన్సిల్కి ఎలక్ట్ అవ్వటము అంటే దాన్ని మీ అందరి అభిమానం పొందినటువంటి వ్యక్తులు అని అర్థం. ఎవరైతే ఇవాళ కౌన్సిల్లో మెంబర్గా ఎలక్ట్ అయ్యారో మీ అందరితో క్లోజ్ ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉండటమో, లేకపోతే మీకు అవసరం ఉన్నప్పుడు హెల్ప్ చేయటమో, ఇవన్నీ చేసినటువంటి వాళ్ళని మాత్రమే మనం మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ గాను మన కౌన్సిల్ మెంబర్ గాను ఓటేసి ఎలక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం. అలాగే మిగతా వాళ్ళు కూడా జరిగేది ఏంటి అంటే కౌన్సిల్లో గెలిచిన వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే గొప్ప వాళ్ళు కాదు. టైం గెలవటానికి ఓడటానికి ఒకటే ఓటు తేడా ఎవరికైనా సరే. అందుకోసమని పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో, ఎవరెవరైతే పోటీ పడ్డారో వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా విజేతలు. వాళ్ళ స్టూడెంట్ కౌన్సిల్ ఎలక్షన్లో నిలబడాలి నేను కూడా అనే ఉద్దేశంతో ఎవరెవరైతే పోటీ చేశారో వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా విన్నర్సే. కాబట్టి ముందు పోటీ చేసిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తూ, ఫ్యూచర్ అంతా మనదే. ఇవాళ ఎందుకు ఓడిపోయాము, ఎక్కడ ఓడిపోయాము అనేది వాళ్ళు ఎనలైజ్ చేసుకుంటే ఆ విషయం మీకు అర్థమవుతే నెక్స్ట్ టైం మనం ఎక్కడైనా కాంటాక్ట్ చేయవలసి వచ్చినప్పుడు హైయర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో అటువంటి తప్పులు దొరపాటు చేయకుండా మనం జాగ్రత్త పడతామనేటువంటిది మీరందరూ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సినటువంటి అవసరం ఉంది. అలాగే స్టూడెంట్ కౌన్సిల్లో మెయిన్గా ఉన్నటువంటి మెంబర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో, స్టూడెంట్ కౌన్సిల్ చైర్మన్ కావచ్చు, స్టూడెంట్ కౌన్సిల్ లేడీస్ రిప్రజెంటేటివ్ కావచ్చు, మిగతా స్పోర్ట్స్ కావచ్చు, కల్చరల్ సెక్రటరీస్ కావచ్చు, డిసిప్లిన్ సెక్రటరీ కావచ్చు, వీళ్ళందరికీ కావాల్సింది ఏంటంటే డిసిప్లిన్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. కౌన్సిల్ మెంబర్స్కి డిసిప్లిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. మనల్ని చూసి మన ఫాలోవర్స్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. మనం వాళ్ళని లీడ్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి మనం చదువులో ముందుండాలి, డిసిప్లిన్లో ముందుండాలి, ఆటల్లో ముందుండాలి. ఈ రకంగా అన్నిట్లో మనం ముందుండి వాళ్ళని గైడ్ చేయడానికి మనం ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి. అప్పుడు మాత్రమే మనం లీడర్స్ అంటారు. కౌన్సిల్ ఎలక్షన్ అనగానే నలుగురు ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉండి ఓట్లేసి గెలిస్తే కాదు. మనం ఇవాళ నుంచి రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ మారిపోతుంది. నిన్నటి వరకు నువ్వు నార్మల్ స్టూడెంట్, ఈరోజు స్టూడెంట్ లీడర్ కాబట్టి నీకు చాలా డిసిప్లిన్ లైఫ్ అవసరం. మిగతా వాళ్ళందరికంటే కూడా చాలా డిసిప్లిన్ ఉండాలి. అలాగే ఎక్కడైనా నీకు తెలిసినటువంటి సమస్య ఉన్నా, ఇబ్బంది ఉన్నా స్కూల్లో ఇమీడియట్గా యూ మస్ట్ రిపోర్ట్ టు ద ప్రిన్సిపాల్ ఆర్ టీచర్స్. మీకు ఎవరైతే కోఆర్డినేటర్స్ ఉంటారో ఆ కోఆర్డినేటర్స్కు మీరు ఇమీడియట్గా రిప్రజెంట్ చేసి ఆ ఇబ్బంది మీకు లేకుండా తొలగించేటువంటి ప్రయత్నం స్టూడెంట్ కౌన్సిల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి మెంబర్స్ అంతా చేయవలసినటువంటి అవసరం ఉంటుంది. ఆ దిశగా మీ అందరూ ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి. చేయటానికి మీకు కావాల్సినటువంటి ఇక్కడ అన్ని రకాలుగా సహకరించడానికి ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు ఉన్నారు. అలాగే స్టాఫ్ అందరూ కూడా ఎప్పుడూ కూడా మిమ్మల్ని మోటివేట్ చేసేటువంటి స్టాఫ్ ఉన్నారు. ఇకపోతే అందరికంటే ఎక్కువగా ఇవాళ ఎండలో ఉన్నది ఎవరంటే మార్చ్ ఫాస్ట్ చేసినటువంటి మా పిల్లలందరూ కూడా వాళ్ళందరికీ అందుకే ఎండలో చాలాసేపటి నుంచి నిలబడ్డారు కాబట్టి వీలైనంత త్వరగా దీన్ని ముగించేటువంటి కార్యక్రమం చేస్తున్నాం. మీ అందరికీ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ చెప్తూ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Deputy Commissioner of Police. We all welcome you, sir. I request our Chairman Maria Gaud sir Garu to please hand over bouquet to the DCP sir. Leaders translate dreams into reality.
Sheikh Shan Ali Khan, grade 10 campus secretary, and he was the previous head boy of the academic year 21 and 22 secretary, and she was a head girl of academic records. Next, leading march past by newly elected head boy of the school of SSR, Jandam Tushar, and head girl of the school Amulia, and next followed by a newly elected student council members, MD Taha as sports secretary, Ruby, Emerald, and Safar. A well-coordinated march past is a feast to the eyes and ears when coupled with some spring marching music. Each house is mature and a thoughtful outlook.
I would like to call upon newly elected head girl of SSR Discovery, Amulya, onto the stage for getting up pinned up with a...
All her responsibility with utter concern and seriousness.
Now I request campus secretaries, 4 other secretaries with the 4 captains and vice captains, please be on the stage. Out their duties with integrity, faith and excellence. Now I request our chief guest to come forward for reading out the oath.
I promise to help SSR Discovery School to cooperate with the faculty and the student body preserve in myself in considering problems which may arise to strive always for those things which are in the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request...
Yeah, good morning all. First of all, pardon me for coming late because I was engaged in some other work. So nice to see you all here. The youngsters and the future of India. So once 30 years back I was like you. sitting in the school, listening to all the speeches, motivation words given by different eminent personalities. So this is now your turn to listen and practice the valuable words being given by your faculty, your parents, your well-wishers, and all the eminent personalities of the society. So this program is mainly meant for the election of various persons as captains, secretaries, student councils, etc. So this is a program of leadership. So you all know that everybody can be a leader in life in his own way. Not only a single person is a leader, so everyone can be a leader if we practice certain principles, and if you are able to motivate few persons to lead a healthy, happy and successful life, so that person is a leader. So be a leader in your life, first of all. A mother is a leader, a father is a leader, a teacher is a leader. You know? So I am a leader, you are a leader, and all these persons sitting on the dais are leaders, leading some way, leading a group of people for a particular cause. So develop this kind of leadership attitude. So nobody is inferior. Just remember that nobody is inferior. Everybody is capable of doing some good to the society, to his or herself, to the family, to the school, wherever you are. So be a leader. So nothing impossible for humans. Dream big, try to achieve that. Have an aim in your life first. So this is what I want to tell to you all. Life lo aim undali, aim kosam kashtapadali. Appude we will be successful and we can be leaders. We are seeing many people around us. So the government employees, maybe politicians, ministers, legislative members of legislative assemblies, our teachers, doctors, professions in various walks of life. We are every day encountering them and we are observing them. So many Indians have raised to world standards, you know that, at the level of Google. And now, of late, we have a person of Indian origin as the Prime Minister of. Anybody knows that? Please raise your hand. Rishi Sunak. Did you hear his name? Who is he? You must know all these things, okay? So once, see, you are all studying history. We know that we are under the subject rule of the Queen, the Emperor of United Kingdom. Later we fought for our independence, we got the independence, and now we are under the independent sovereign state of India. So this history is repeated now, and our person of our Indian origin is ruling the United Kingdom now. So nothing is impossible. This is the best example we can see. So dream, have a goal in your life, try to achieve that. Okay? Your dream and your goal will pave the way to achieve it. If it is coupled with the proper planning and discipline. Okay? Anyone have any goal in your life? What you want to become? Raise your hands. Those who don't have goals, please raise your hands. Very few. So most of you have a goal. Not girl. I am telling about goal. G-O-A-L. Okay? G-O-A-L. an aim to become. So I wish you good luck, best wishes for me. So be a successful person, be a leader and achiever in your life. Thank you.
I request the chief guest to please hand over every school to SSR Schools Chairman Mr. Maria Gaud. To propose the vote of thanks.
तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे, जय हे।
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఆల్. ఈరోజు ఎస్ఎస్ఆర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ డిస్కవరీ క్యాంపస్లో ఇన్వెస్టిట్యూట్ సెరమనీ జరుగుతుంది. దీంట్లో ఈ క్లాస్ లీడర్స్ అండ్ గ్రూప్ లీడర్స్, కమ్యూనిటీ లీడర్స్ ఎలక్షన్ జరిగింది. వాళ్ళ యొక్క ఓత్ స్వేరింగ్ సెరమనీ ఈరోజు గ్రాండ్గా చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఆల్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ పేరెంట్స్, టీచర్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ, అలాగే మేనేజ్మెంట్ చైర్మన్ గారు అందరూ ఉన్నారు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ pleasure for me to attend this program, to interact with the future generation of India, our little children. So ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ బాగా జరిగింది. సో దీంట్లో మెయిన్గా ఈ లీడర్షిప్ క్వాలిటీస్, ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి లీడర్షిప్ క్వాలిటీస్ అనేది అవసరం లైఫ్లో, కెరీర్లో ఒక మంచి స్థాయికి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే. కాబట్టి అటువంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇక్కడ జరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ టు ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్ టు బి ఎ లీడర్.